How to enable dark mode in Blinkit. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this feature. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So basically, we're in the settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options available. Here on the top, there's a section called Appearance. Simply tap on Appearance. And here, as you can see, there are three different options: light theme, dark theme, and system theme. So it's up to you and the one that you want to select. So here I'm tapping on dark theme. So it will take some time. Now as you can see, the whole UI and interface has been changed. Now you can simply go back and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.